My name is Johan Koekoek. Together with Paul Versteeg and Wilma Koonstra, I started Aircraft Builders Europe in the autumn of 2022. Based north of Amsterdam in the Netherlands, Aircraft Builders Europe acts as exclusive sling aircraft distributor for many European countries. Our demo sling TSI with call sign Papa Hotel Kilo Juliet Zulu currently has its base on the airfield of Texel. I experienced during building that TSI together with Paul that building a sling aircraft is exciting and not really complicated. The knowledge gained during this process helps to understand all details of the aircraft and creates high confidence when flying it. We faced that support from experienced engineers during the building process helps customers to build their aircraft very efficient. For that, we created our workshop facilities in which sling builders can build their sling aircraft. Our aviation engineers are available to assist when required. I flew my sling during many journeys in Europe and still look forward to any coming flight. Together with Paul and Wilmer, we will work on partnerships with other builder assist centers within Europe in order to come physically close to sling customers. Currently, we offer our customers demonstration flights with the sling TSI. And soon we will be ready for demo flights with our sling high wing as well. We are looking forward to welcoming you at our facilities.